I'm making donuts.
You are making donuts?
Yes.
Oh my god. What you have put inside?
Milk
Hmm?
and mixing.
Okay. Mix it. Stir well. Stir.
And can I put this?
No, this is baking soda already put inside. Stir well.
Okay.
Do it faster, faster. Stir well.
I'm stirring well.
You like donuts?
Yes.
Where you have eat donuts before?
For this,
Hmm?
this one.
Where you eat donuts?
When I will eat
For whom you making donuts?
for me and for Mama.
Oh my god, thank you.
And I will make for this for you.
Hmm?
And I will make this for me.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I put this more?
Huh?
Can I put one more this?
We already put inside, beta.
I want to put this.
No.